Is this on? Okay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper roses out of book pages. Although these roses may look complicated, they're not as hard as you think. For this project you're going to need glue, bamboo sticks, scissors, and book pages. Each rose takes about 4 pages, so plan accordingly. First, take the paper and fold it like this, so it looks like the start of a fortune teller. Next, grab your scissors and cut off the extra flap. Then take your paper and fold it again. Now take this paper and fold it again into an even smaller triangle. Then take your scissors and cut off a little piece off the edge of the paper where all the pages meet. Now try not to make this hole too big, otherwise your stick won't go through. Now you want to then cut a curve around the edge of the paper so that it looks like a heart, like that. Then open your paper and it should look like a flower with curves on the end. Repeat for the next 3 pages. Optionally, you can take a pen and mark the outsides of it with a marker, like this. Now take your scissors and a petal and cut off 1 petal. Now take the second one and cut off 2 petals. Take the third one and cut off 3 petals. And take the last one and cut it down halfway. Now take your glue and apply glue on one side of the petal. Take the other end and attach it inwards so you can form a circle again. And repeat it for all the other petals. Once you finish gluing all your pieces, you can take a bamboo stick and curl the edges around like this. Fold the petal onto the stick, hold it for a few seconds, and let go to reveal a curl. Repeat this for all the petals. Once you finish curling all your petals, you can start assembling the rose. To assemble the rose, take your largest piece and then your second largest piece and stack them on top of each other. Then take your next largest piece and stack it on the other 2, and repeat this process until all of your roses are stacked. After you assemble your rose, take your bamboo stick and slide it through the middle of the rose. Now apply glue on the bottom 2 layers so the rose sticks to the top. To ensure your rose stays on the stick, you can shake it lightly to make sure all the petals are unbudgeable. Or you can also turn it upside down and shake it lightly to check if it is loose. And mine is a little loose, so I let it sit aside for a few minutes. Optionally, you can also add fragrance on the petals to add a scent. For these roses, I'm using Days Beauty Grape and Amber. Now that your roses are done, you can add a base for the roses. I'm choosing this red base. I'm filling up with a styrofoam base and adding crepe paper to resemble bushes. And that's it.